Did you know that you are the master of your own universe and that you can attract and manifest whatever you want to in your life? I do. For the past 2 years, I've been working on my manifestation skills and I've been getting pretty good at it. I've boiled it down to my 4 favorite techniques so I can share them with you today. Number 1, speak out loud your desires. Tell the universe what you want using the vibration of your voice to put it out there. Using the vibration of your voice can attract it to you. Let me explain. Last year, I found myself in a pickle when my bicycle had a flat tire. I was riding it on my way to a meeting and I realized I needed to go back home and try to put air in it or fix it. It was of no use and I ended up having to go back and trade out for my old bicycle, which I had given to my roommate, who was much shorter than me. When I got on the bike, I was sitting far too low and I had to raise up the seat, but it was rusted in place. It was of no use. I ended up being late for my meeting. So upset that I said to the universe, "Universe, you're gonna bring me some guy who's just gonna come to my apartment and fix my bikes for me for free." So later that evening I came home to my roommate. She had her sister and her sister's boyfriend coming for a visit. I was trying to open this bottle of nail polish. It was completely stuck and I went into their room and said, "Hey, anyone want to help me out with this?" The boyfriend was trying so hard to open it up, but it was stuck. But I had an idea. "Hey, magic hands, why don't you come over and use that elbow grease on my bike?" So he looked out into the hallway, saw my bicycles and said, "You have a bicycle problem? I used to be a bicycle repairman. I love fixing bikes." And he went on to fix both of my bicycles for me in my apartment for free. When you speak your desires, they can come back to you and be created. Manifestation tip number 2. Make sure you get specific about all of the details. You want to make sure that you have it down to the nitty-gritty so that what you attract is what you put out there. This can very easily turn into a situation that is, be careful what you wish for. Let me explain. Last year, my friend was telling me how her friend manifested an amazing partner. All she did was she told the universe exactly what she wanted, listing all of the characteristics one by one. He showed up later that month and they were engaged within the year. So I've had this track record of dating really awesome Aquarius men. It just so happens I'm well paired with the men that are born in the first week of February. It's not a choice, it just ends up happening that way often. So, being single, I said to the universe, "Universe, why don't you send me some really cute Aquarius men?" And then they came, and there were tons of them, and it was terrible. They messed with my head, they toyed with my heart. One of them even started a fight with the other one over me at my birthday party, and then dumped me the next week. So after that I said, "Universe, just stop, no more Aquarius men, I'm done." So my advice is be very specific and careful when you're asking the universe to manifest your desire. Manifestation tip number 3. Only focus on the positive vibrations. Think about the things you want instead of the things that you don't want. You see, our brains don't know the difference between don'ts and should nots. If I tell you not to think about a pink elephant, all you're going to do is think about a pink elephant. So you want to focus on the vibration of the thing that you want in the way that you want it, so you attract just that. Pam Grout, the author of E², explored the phenomenon of how we oftentimes think about foods that we're going to eat as a way to make us fat. We put a negative context or a negative emotion attached to those foods, and then that's what we'll attract. It tricks us into gaining weight. So Pam did an experiment where she began to pray with her foods and energize them with positive aspects. And she would say, "Oh, lunch, you're so delicious and nutritious. My body knows exactly what to do with your nutrients, and every bite of you will allow me to lose weight with ease." And she lost weight because she focused on the positive vibration of what she wanted so she could attract that to her. My final manifestation technique, number 4, is think about what you want and let it go. The universe can't pry it from our arms, and sometimes we're holding on so tight because we want it just the way that we want it when we want it, which is usually now. The universe can't work like that. The universe wants to do magic for us, but we have to let it go and trust. that all will come to us in perfect divine timing. That's the way I manifested my partner and amazing work opportunities and awesome new friends, by wanting it and setting it free to come to me in the perfect moment. So, my challenge to you is to think about something that you want to manifest and apply these 4 principles. 1. Speak out loud your desire. Tell the universe what you want. Number 2. Get clear and think about all of the details, down to the nitty-gritty. Number 3. Focus only on the positive aspects so you attract that vibration to you and you get what you want. And number 4, let it go. The universe knows what to do, and it's much better at micromanaging than you are. Trust me, and trust that anything is possible.